Hello mga Kaledi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video mga Kaledi, tayo ay gagala together with my co-workmates, ang NST group of guides. Tayo ay mag-pilgrimage. And syempre kasama natin ang mga taga Nuestra Señora de la Merced ng Candaba, Pampanga. Their assembly of course is here in their church, ang Nuestra Señora de la Merced Parish. Napaka-grandiosa ng simbahan. At talagang napakaganda. And their first prayer happens here. And now, papunta na po tayo sa iba pang simbahan ating bibisitahin. Pero, stop over muna. CR break. And for our first church to visit, it is located in Gerona, Tarlac. The others are located in La Union and in Pangasinan. And here we go. Santuario de San Jose Maria Escriba, Roman Catholic Church. At syempre, hindi pa rin mawala ang picture taking. And for our next church to visit, ang pangalawang simbahan na pupuntahan natin ay ang simbahan ng Our Lady of Mount Carmel Parish, located here in Sison, Pangasinan. From Pangasinan, let's go to La Union. Dahil ang ating susunod na bibisitahin, ang pangatlong simbahan sa ating pilgrimage ay ang Minor Basilica and Diocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Charity, located here in Aguo, La Union. And another group photo. Everyone, smile! Alright, it's lunchtime. And we're having our lunch here in Ekikaya Resort, Cafe and Restaurant. At ngayon po, kami ay mag-aani seafood buffet. Yummy! And for our fourth church to visit is the Diocesan Shrine of Nuestra Señora del Mar Cautiva, located here in Santo Tomas, La Union. At ang ating susunod na simbahan na pupuntahan, ang panglimbang simbahan sa ating pilgrimage, ay ang Our Lady of Purification Parish, Located po dito naman sa Binmali, Pangasinan. Last two churches at ang ating pang-anim na simbahan na pupuntahan ay ang simbahan ng Santuario de Barbara, Holy Family Parish. Located po in Santa Barbara, Pangasinan. And last but not the least, ang pang-pitong simbahan na ating bibisitahin sa ating pilgrimage ay ang simbahan ng Minor Basilica of Our Lady of Manaoag, located here in Manaoag, Pangasinan. At dito nila gaganapin ang kanilang misa para sa pagtatapos ng kanilang pilgrimage. And that's it for today's vlog mga kalendi. I hope na nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating pilgrimage tour. Ang pagbisita sa 7 simbahan sa ating isinagawang bisita iglesia. So everyone mga kalendi, please like and share this video. And comment na rin para maganda ang ating bandingan. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-notify ko kayo on my next vlog. So everyone mga kalendi, this is Eloy. Bye-bye!